Hey guys, hey. Guess what, you guys? Guess what? Today's Sunday, you guys. It's Sunday, and I have to pick up a catering order, you guys. And this catering order is one of the biggest catering order, yeah. It's one of the biggest catering order that I ever received on either on Cartwheel or on Zifty. So right now it's 12:54, you guys. It's 12:54, and my pickup time for this order is 1:09. So I am here at KFC, coming to pick it up at KFC, and it's paying $158. You guys, $158. So I'm super excited. When I received this order, I was like, I will believe when I go pick it up, because most of the time, if I pick up these huge orders, you guys, sometimes the customer cancel those orders. It have happened to me for 3 times, y'all. When I receive a big order that's paying over $100, they be canceling it. So I received this order like 3 days ago. Yep. I was like, I might believe when I see it, and right now I believe already, because I'm here at the restaurant. I am here at the restaurant. $158. In under, let's say, 1 hour, because it took me 34 minutes to come to pick up this order. It's in another city from my city, so it's in Winston-Salem, and I live in High Point. So it's gonna take under 1 hour. So let's go in, you guys. Let's go in and grab this catering order. Okay, y'all, this is everything. 3 bags of chicken, and that, and bags of this one. We also have box of lemonade. So let's go deliver. I don't know how many minutes yet, but I'm about to find out in a few seconds. Alright, you guys, it's only 10 minutes. It says it's only 10 minutes. That's going on. So let's go this way. Okay, you guys. I am here. It's a big, huge warehouse that I'm delivering to. And I see 2 doors, so I don't know which one that I'm gonna go in. So I have to call, I'm about to call the person. I'm about to call the number and see and ask for somebody to come open for me, because I have no idea which door that I'm gonna go. It's that door and the other door on the other side. So yeah. All right, have a good one.
You too. That's all there.
Oh, he forget this one. He forget this one. He forget this one. He forgot to grab this.
Okay.
All right. Okay, all done. 158 is mine, you guys. 158, it's mine. So right now I'm about to go home, you guys. Hey guys, I know what it is. It's Amazon Day. Amazon, you guys. So I'm done scanning all my things. We have this one, you guys. We have this. And we also have those. Altogether it's 47 packages. But we're going to 34 houses. We're going to 34 houses. So in 3 hours, 3 hours and a half. So let me take this way. Supposed to go. Oops. All right, you guys, let's go deliver. 3 hours and a half, and they're paying me $87. $87. So let's see how long is our first drop off. Yo, I am at my 19th box, you guys, drop. And look at this here. I wish it was just like a small box, but it's a large box and have to get it at the trunk. But it seems like it's a good dog, but I'm scared. So let me try to call the person. Do you know what I'm doing, you guys? I am backing up. I am trying to back up so I can take the box and just drop it over there, because I don't even see where to contact the person. I don't think we have a way to contact the person, because when I click on the messages, nothing comes up. Yeah, let me just stand over here and go check the box and drive back over there and just drop it on the floor, because this is a huge driveway. It's coming. It's coming. Let me go back in the car. It doesn't even bark, so I think it's one of those good dogs. Let me back up some more to the point that it doesn't see me. You know, because when it see me, that's when it comes. It's going back.
911 assist is not operational. Please visit your...
Good morning, you guys. Over here I have a catering order that I'm going to deliver right now. It's almost 10 a.m. and this order paid me $25. So let's go. Oh, it's open. Thank you. Delivering it at Amazon. I have another catering order to pick up at Jersey Mike at 11. So I'm going to see if it's ready. Let's go see if it's ready. It's paying $26, y'all. It's paying $26. Going the wrong way. Hello. I have an easy cater. Okay, this is what we have from Jersey Mike. It's about six bags. So let's go deliver. It's 11:07 right now. Hey guys, it's still the same day, you guys. It's still the same day. Right now I am at the warehouse. I mean Amazon warehouse. I took a block, you guys, 3 p.m. block, and right now I'm scanning the that was one over there. I have this one here. Let me try to put this one. I'm try to do that so I can create space. I have 44 packages, you guys, but it's only 20, and this one, and it's only 25 stops for 3 hours. So I'm done. So let's go deliver. All right, you guys. So we only have, I say we only have like a few minutes. We have 40 minutes, you guys, drive to our first drop off. 40 minutes. Let's go. Do you see that? I'm about to throw this thing. I'm about to throw it in the window, y'all. And they call it a day. See how big it is? This is my 5th drop off. Yo, the bad thing is it's not even a small box, you guys. It's a huge box that I have at the back that requires me to go outside. What should I do? I'm trying to see where to contact the person. I don't see it, you guys. Yo, finally somebody had to come out. I was like, thank God. Somebody had to come out and they took care of the dog, and I had to deliver 5 packages from that place, yeah. 5 different packages. So let's go to our next drop off.